Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Beat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best, and I mean the absolute best, pineapple kesari bath. It's a rich and sweet semolina dish made with nuts and pineapples that can be eaten as a breakfast or as a dessert. It's beyond delicious, so let's get it. So in a hot pan here, I'm going to drop in some ghee, and when it gets nice and hot, I'm going to add in and roast our semolina. You know the semolina is starting to work its magic once the color starts to change from this pale yellow to a nice golden brown, and you get hit with its fragrance. That looks good, so I'm just going to set this aside for now, and I'm going to fry up our cashews and raisins with some ghee. And you want the cashews to turn golden brown and the raisins to balloon up. And to this, I'm going to add in our pineapples. You want to cook down the pineapple so it turns a little bit soft and also caramelizes with the direct heat. This caramelization and then the juice of the pineapple is going to add a ton more flavor. Okay, so this is starting to look good, and I'm going to add in our water. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to flavor this with a few strands of saffron, which is going to give it its signature color. And if you're not getting enough color from the saffron alone, you can always add in some yellow food coloring. And to flavor this, I'm going to add in some cardamom, yum, and the tiniest bit of salt, which is going to help bring out the sweetness in this dish. Once the saffron and the cardamom have a chance to bloom in the boiling water, I'm going to add back in our roasted semolina. And you want to work really quick here. Just give this a good stir and make sure there aren't any lumps. And close the lid so it can steam on low. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. Each semolina grain is well cooked, so I'm going to add in our sugar and the last bit of our ghee and just fold it in so the sugar melts right in. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious pineapple Sheera, Sooji Halwa, kesari bath, whatever you want to call it, at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. I know we've added so much ghee in this, but this is what's going to make it so soft and melt in your mouth. There we go. It's so perfect. So it's traditionally served molded into a cup, so I'm just going to pack it into this small bowl. And flip it over. It should come right out because of all of that ghee. And there you have it, folks. Absolutely delicious pineapple kesari bath, Sheera, or Sooji Halwa. Cheers!